How to fix YouTube search predictions not showing under search bar. First, you're going to turn on search history. So in order for you to do this, you're just going to open the YouTube app on your iPhone. And then from here, you're going to tap on your profile tab in the bottom right corner. And then you're going to tap on the settings here. From the settings tab, you're going to click on manage all history. And then from there, you're going to ensure that saving YouTube history is turned on. If your watch or search history is paused, YouTube automatically disables predictive search suggestions. So you can usually see that by clicking on controls right here. And then you can see here if your YouTube history is on or off based on this one. So again, you're going to make sure that it is turned on. Another thing that you can do is to exit incognito mode. So you're going to tap on your profile tab once again, or you're going to stay there and verify that you are browsing in incognito mode. When incognito is active, the app intentionally hides personalized search predictions to protect your privacy during that session. Next thing is to switch to default iOS keyboard. Next is to offload the app. If predictions still won't load, you're just going to head back to your iPhone settings. You're going to go to general again. From here, you're going to tap on iPhone storage, and then you're just going to try and find YouTube from here. Now you're going to tap on YouTube, and then you're going to tap on offload app. Then you can just tap reinstall app to clear out corrupt search cache files without losing your account data. And that's it. If this interests you, I have linked the product link down below.